The Millionaire Next Door is a literary work that has become a true classic in the field of personal finance and economic psychology. Written by renowned authors Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, the book offers a revealing insight into the behavior and financial habits of wealthy individuals in the United States. First published in 1996, this book continues to inspire and educate readers worldwide on how to achieve financial independence. Authors Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko dedicated years of meticulous research to understand what truly sets millionaires apart from the rest of the population. They conducted interviews and in-depth studies with thousands of wealthy individuals to reveal a surprising fact. Most millionaires do not resemble the stereotypical image that many of us have in mind. The importance of understanding how wealthy people manage their finances cannot be underestimated. In a time when financial education is essential for financial success, The Millionaire Next Door offers valuable insights that challenge conventional notions of wealth and prosperity. This book not only dismantles myths about the wealthy, but also provides a practical guide for those who wish to embark on the path to financial independence. Throughout this video, we will explore the main lessons and concepts presented in this iconic book. We will discover how millionaires truly live, save, invest, and educate their children about finances. Get ready for a learning journey that can transform your perspective on money and wealth. Topic 1. The rich aren't always who you imagine. In The Millionaire Next Door, authors Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko take us on a journey that radically challenges conventional stereotypes about wealth. Many of us have grown up believing that millionaires display external signs of their wealth, such as expensive cars, extravagant mansions, and ostentatious lifestyles. However, this book presents a very different reality. The book reveals that most millionaires do not fit the stereotype. They do not stand out by flaunting their wealth. Instead, they live modestly and discreetly. In many cases, they reside in middle-class neighborhoods, drive simple cars, and avoid excessive spending on luxury items. This discrepancy between popular perception and reality is surprising and, at the same time, highly instructive. The fundamental message here is that wealth accumulation is not necessarily tied to an extravagant lifestyle. In fact, many millionaires adopt a prudent financial approach, avoiding wasting and unnecessary expenses. They understand that true wealth is not about showing off to others how much they have, but rather about building a solid and lasting financial foundation. Topic 2. The Frugal Lifestyle of Millionaires. One of the most intriguing aspects of the book is the exploration of the financial habits of millionaires that contribute to their wealth. They are notoriously frugal in many aspects of their lives, which may seem contradictory at first glance, considering their substantial wealth. The frugality of millionaires is evident in their ability to save money on everyday expenses. They pay attention to financial details and do not waste resources on things that do not add real value to their lives. This may include buying generic brands instead of luxury products, preparing meals at home instead of dining out frequently, and keeping cars for longer periods instead of frequently replacing them. The importance of frugality in building wealth is a recurring theme in the book. The authors argue that the ability to save and invest instead of spending impulsively is one of the key pillars to achieving financial independence. Frugality does not mean living a life of deprivation, but rather making conscious decisions about how to spend and prioritizing financial future over frivolous spending. Topic 3. Smart investment. One of the crucial aspects addressed in The Millionaire Next Door is how millionaires invest their money. Contrary to the idea that they engage in risky speculations or impulsive purchases, millionaires stand out for their wise and strategic investments. One of the main strategies that millionaires adopt is focusing on income-generating assets. Instead of spending their savings on consumer items, they prefer to invest in real estate, stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments that provide a steady stream of passive income. This focus on productive assets is essential for long-term wealth building. Furthermore, millionaires avoid excessive debt and maintain a long-term mindset in their investments. They understand that accumulating wealth is not a quick process, but rather a journey that requires patience and discipline. Therefore, they avoid consumer debt and prioritize paying off high-cost debts before investing. Another important aspect is the long-term mindset in investments. Millionaires are not swayed by fads or short-term market fluctuations. They hold on to their investments for many years, benefiting from the power of compound growth and resisting the temptation to make hasty sales during periods of volatility. Topic 4. Entrepreneurship and social entrepreneurship. One of the strong points addressed in the book is the connection between wealth and entrepreneurship. Many millionaires are not just diligent savers, they are entrepreneurs or business owners themselves. This entrepreneurial approach allows them to create and manage additional sources of income, as well as build valuable assets. It's important to note that entrepreneurship is not limited to personal profit alone. The Millionaire Next Door also emphasizes the importance of social entrepreneurship. This means that many millionaires view their businesses as an opportunity not only to enrich themselves, but also to create value for society at large. They engage in social causes, support charitable organizations, and seek ways to give back to the community. This holistic approach to entrepreneurship, which includes personal wealth creation and a positive impact on society, is one of the reasons why the millionaires profiled in the book stand out as inspiring examples. They demonstrate that it is possible to achieve financial success while contributing to the well-being of the community and the world at large. Topic 5. Financial education as the key to success. Financial education as the key to success is one of the fundamental principles addressed in The Millionaire Next Door. The authors of the book emphasize that financial education plays a critical role in building wealth and achieving financial independence. The central idea is simple. The more you know about money, finance, and investments, the better equipped you will be to make intelligent financial decisions. Financial education is not just about understanding complex financial jargon, but rather about developing practical skills to efficiently manage your personal finances. To improve your financial education, it's important to start with the basics. This includes understanding how personal budgeting works, how to save and invest, how to deal with debt, and how to create a solid financial plan. There is an abundance of resources available, from books and online courses to financial advisors, that can help you acquire the necessary knowledge. Another suggestion is to set clear financial goals. By establishing specific objectives such as saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business, you will have a greater purpose for your financial education and be more motivated to learn and apply what you've learned. Topic 6. Inheritance and the importance of financial education for children. Another fundamental aspect addressed in The Millionaire Next Door is how millionaires approach the financial education of their children. They understand that leaving a financial education legacy is as important as accumulating personal wealth. Many millionaires teach their children about finances from an early age. They share valuable lessons about saving, investing, avoiding unnecessary debt, and most importantly, the importance of financial responsibility. This early education creates a solid foundation for their children to make wise financial decisions throughout their lives. Furthermore, millionaires often encourage their children to adopt an entrepreneurial mindset and seek opportunities to create financial value. This not only prepares the next generation to face financial challenges, but also to thrive and make positive contributions to society. The importance of leaving a financial education legacy is not limited to the family. Millionaires understand that by teaching their children to manage money wisely, they are contributing to a financially conscious society where people are better prepared to make informed financial decisions and build a more secure future. Conclusion. Throughout this video, we have delved deeply into the fundamental lessons of the book The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book offers a revealing insight into how millionaires truly live, save, invest, and thrive financially. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring. If you wish to deepen your understanding of these concepts and learn more about achieving financial independence, we strongly recommend reading the complete book, The Millionaire Next Door. Furthermore, if you enjoyed this content and would like to receive more insights on personal finance, investments, and strategies for building wealth, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like this video to help us reach more people interested in improving their financial lives. And please share this video with your friends and family so that we can all work together in the pursuit of greater financial awareness and financial success. Together, we can build a financially sound and prosperous future. Thank you for watching the video and for being a part of this financial learning journey.